Hi there. This is a quick website critique of your store. And this won't be a full website analysis because this is just a free overview to give you a few ideas on what to improve when it comes to your conversion rate. First of all, the design. The first impression is that it was put together maybe like 10 or 12 years ago. It just doesn't give impression that it's a modern website or that you've got latest accessories, which I assume is quite important for someone who's looking for guitar accessories, latest accessories. You mentioned that you have created this website a month ago, but I would definitely go for a little bit updated the design. I think it's a little bit static, and the colors and the font really do indicate that perhaps this website have been around for about 10-12 years, haven't been updated. um, your page has got very minimal margins, which means that the font actually goes from one end to another, which makes it quite well. It definitely is not the easiest to read, so that can affect your conversion rate. Another thing, before I scroll down to the rest of the homepage, the 20% off certain stock is such a vague message. If you want to run 20% off on certain collections, would be so much more appealing. For example, if you had 20% off on, I don't know, a certain collection and just put the title of this collection here, because certain stock it's just so uninspiring to click. Also, you can link this promo bar to the collection that is discounted as well. When it comes to the top navigation, I would encourage you to put the link to your shop section right after home, and then move contact us, tracking, about us, blog after that, because it will get more attention, because it will be in this kind of key location. People will look at this link first. Also, change the title of the catalog to shop. It is more action based. It is a stronger call to action and will prompt more people to click and shop. So this is this product that you mentioned that is selling the most. If it is selling the most, I don't see the reason why you want to discount it, especially as you mentioned that you are not making a profit after paying all the expenditures. So I don't think it is within your best interest to keep this particular one discounted. Okay. I mean the rest of the products look fantastic. If you can see, it's very difficult to read this text because the image underneath is quite busy, so it's really quite difficult. If you had this text over this part of the image, it's much easier to read it. Okay, so this is nice. About, as I mentioned, there's a problem with the margins. Um, but yeah, I think it just needs to be updated. The whole design, look and feel of the website. Make sure to hyperlink the email address as well. I won't be reviewing the rest of the website. As I mentioned, it's just a free review to give you ideas on what could be holding you back when it comes to making sales. But apart from that, obviously, it is all down to having traffic that converts, and it still makes you profitable, because the last thing you would want to be doing is to spending more on advertising, more on Facebook ads than actually you make in return. So obviously that can all be polished within the process. Nobody makes it right within the first month of of running the business. Sometimes it takes 1 year, sometimes it takes 2 years to actually, break even or make a profit. So don't worry. But yeah, I would look into perhaps growing your brand name within the circles, within the certain niche of the musicians or of the bands that are looking for this kind of accessories. And influencer marketing can also work for you, but obviously the organic way, not being too, not having Instagram shoutouts or anything like that, but obviously being more organic, maybe featured by some up and coming artist on YouTube that uses your accessories, and obviously mentions them in the video description as well. So yeah, definitely growing your brand awareness the organic way. Blogging can also help you. Being active on YouTube can also help you. So obviously connecting your social media and so on. But yeah, I hope you found the tips useful. And if you did, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile, and the details are in the email. Thank you so much. Bye bye.